We have gusting snowfalls. As you can see, I'll take you up the road a little. Gusting snowfalls. Visibility is not that great right now. This is Ontario. This is southern Ontario. But northern Ontario is 15,000 times worse. The snowbanks were so high that it was like almost climbing a mini Mount Everest in order to get up to see the bus coming down the Trans-Canada Highway across the lake from the largest freshwater lake in the world, which was Lake Superior. This is just a light, and you can see the snow squalls here, and they're really coming down. I have to take my cell phone because the camera might be destroyed from the wet of the cars. The visibility is bad, and on the road you can actually see. Now if this turns to ice, we're fucked, because it's something called black ice. This house here is $1.4 million. These people are having a hard time to see. The visibility here is very bad. You can see this man walking a dog here. Trying to get through this storm.
Huh?
You're trying to get through this storm. Oh my God. Yeah, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The houses in this area are very expensive. This is one whole complete house. It takes up half a fucking block. Why do these people need all these fucking houses for? To do what? To spend money on more bills? Because in the winter, if you don't have heat, you're going to fucking die. And they certainly don't have wood stoves like in the olden days. I don't know what these people today really want. Modern big houses that are 10,000 square foot. And to do what? To keep up with the Joneses, to say, oh, I come from Africa, now I live in this house. I come from China, now I live in this house. In China, I couldn't live in a house like this. Is this why they come to Canada? This is not the reasons to come to Canada. The reasons to come to Canada is to give to the country, to give to the people, and to upgrade the system for future generations. And they're all doing the wrong thing at the wrong time because they're all walking around with their eyes closed. This is awakening in my mind. This is awakening in my soul. The soul body signing off right now for greed is certainly here to stay in southern Ontario.